everybody? It's your boy Wisdom88. Follow me on IG if you're looking for me. Alright, so today we got some we're gonna be doing another installment from my boy kingjoffyjoe's page.
I see
his YouTube, so make sure you guys are following him, checking out his content. Alright, so we got shout out to top notch ryker, top notch ryker mods. Sent your boy over the Cold Wisdom grill. Alright, so we're gonna be doing an installation on this right there. You see that? So shout out top notch ryker mods for this bad boy. Alright, so we're gonna be putting this in together. So we're going to put this in. You're going to be putting this in. Obviously, it's going to be going in your front fender, your front grill. All right. So you're going to be taking your hood off. Move that hood there. All right. So we got these two screws on the bottom. We're going to be removing those. We already moved those ahead of time for you guys. Make sure you guys remove those. Pulling this bad boy right off of the corner here.
kingjoffyjoe here. I'm gonna explain this for him so he can just do this for you guys and see how it do. He doesn't. My man Fred usually sends some instructions. He sends you a paper showing you how to do this. He sends you a link to my old other video. I'll throw a link up for it. But he didn't send one because he knew I'm the one that, you know what I'm saying, I made the video. So I'm gonna show you how to install this real quick. Right? So this is how we do it. This is how I did it last time. This is how I'm gonna do it this time. So this goes in the back. You're gonna have to put zip ties all over the place, but first you're gonna put this in the back, and then after you put that there, you're gonna snap this into place. All right, so we're gonna get some zip ties started at first. All right, so we're gonna put this in the back of here. We're gonna get some zip ties started. We're gonna leave them loose. Then we're gonna snap on the front of it and make sure it's lined up with the space around there, all the same around, and hold it in space, and then come back to the back and tighten up the zip ties. So now we're gonna put the grill on. So if you look at these push buttons, one thing you always remember, see how they're countersunk? The countersunk. Once you put these on and they're locked in place, this little button is gonna pop out and it's gonna be flush with the rest of this button. It's not gonna be countersunk like that as much, I don't think. All right, so make sure it goes behind our BKD Exhaust radiator protector. We're gonna be putting it behind that. Gonna push it from the back. All right, so see how they popped up? If you look at this one, it popped up. See how that one popped up? So now that they're popped up and flush with the rest of the button, that's how you know it's locked and secure. So if you're ever putting these on your bike and you make sure it's locked and secure, you don't want it falling off. Top notch ryker mods, once you buy their whole kit, if you want to change your name on yours, you don't have to pay a full price and buy a whole kit again. You can just buy the faces. So now what we're looking at is these sides. So see how we have it so we can move? We're looking at the spaces on the sides and making sure that we have them even. So make it even. How you feel it's even? Side to side, see that gap there and that gap there. Try to make it even. Down here, look down here too. Try to get it even till you think it's even. What does it look like? Looks good to me. All right, so now we're gonna start. Now we're gonna tighten up the zip ties slowly but surely. You don't want to do this one all the way first because it's going to pull it to this side. So you want to do this one a little bit, then you want to do that one a little bit, and this one a little bit, and this one a little bit again. All right, now that we have all those tightened, those 4 tightened, we're going to be using a bunch more. So you're going to go through a bunch of different spots you can find. Whatever spot you can find, you're going to go through here and back up through and get this mesh secured down to your front of your bike. So we're going to remove the front plate that we just snapped on, and we're going to put a bunch of zip ties through there and secure it. So to remove your plate, just push the button in, it should pop off. So when you get to what he has so now he has 8 zip ties on here. If you look at how many Fed has sent him, I would think you're gonna want to put some more on there. You know what I'm saying? We want to go vertically. Get some of these vertically pieces. All right, so now I know some of you guys have seen some of these grills, and you're like, "Well, I thought they had a light on it." They do have a light on it. My man Fed sends you lights. There's a different couple options of colors that you can pick. So you're gonna put the light. If you look at where your grill is gonna go, grill is gonna go here. So your light is gonna go right here and here. So we're gonna put it at the where we're gonna put it at the top or the bottom. Where do you want it? Bottom. So it's gonna be on there. So he wants his at the bottom, so we're gonna put it right on top of here. When you're running this light, you want it to come over to the right side of the bike. And if you look, there's like a little slot right here. There's a little slot. So you want to put the light on before you put this mesh on, because there's a little slot here you run the wires through. We're gonna be running the guards a little different, but as you can see, my man Fed, he gives you everything you need. It comes with a switch with a zip tie already on it that you can tuck over here and zip tie it over here. It comes with a pre-wired fuse. There's already a fuse on here for you. But we're gonna be doing a little different. Some of you guys asked me about this a couple times. Like I did it on my bike. I use the BKD Exhaust Handlebar switch. So my man BKD sent me over this a couple months ago. All right, so BKD, you see the logo on there, BKD Exhaust. So this is the handlebar switch that we're gonna be using. So this handlebar switch comes with it's water resistant, quick access, quick connect. So basically you just take this piece here and you put it onto here, you screw it on. That's gonna give you a nice plug for your handlebars that we're gonna put on the handlebars. The other end that you hook up to either your fog lights or whatever you hook it up to, you're gonna get one of these pieces here that you're gonna hook up to your light or whatever you're hooking up to. And this actually plugs right into here as well, watertight. Got a little rubber seal in there and you screw that tight. So quick, easy disconnect. So if you ever need to disconnect the lights from this or from the handlebars, all you gotta do is unscrew it and unplug it out. You can get this at bkdexhaust.com. You see it, bkdexhaust.com. You can get that on the website. So as you see, this comes with an in-line fuse as well. You can plug it straight to the battery, but you guys know me, I don't like hooking stuff up to the battery. So what we're gonna be using the accessory plug. And if you don't have a plug that plugs into your accessory wires that some people have, BKD actually sells these too. BKD Exhaust, you can get you accessory wire, plugs up right to your accessory wire here, and then it gives you a couple spots to plug stuff into. That's quick access. So when you turn your bike off, the lights automatically go off, but we still have the switch on there. So if in the daytime he's riding and he doesn't want the lights on his grill on, you can just turn them off. His fog lights, we're gonna hook his fog lights up to these as well. So the fog lights and the grill come on at the same time. If he ever wants to turn them off, you can turn them off, you can turn them on and on. But if the bike turns off, all the power is gonna be away from everything.
All right,
so
guys,
you don't gotta worry about
we got the grill installed. We use the BKD Exhaust light switch like we told you we were gonna do. You know what I'm saying? You pick the red light, hit the button. So, light switch working. Look at that. Shout out to Top Notch Ryker Mods for sending over that grill. I'm kind of hating because I got the old-fashioned light. I had when I got my grill, there was only white, and it's not as bright as that red because that red is popping. You know what I'm saying? I think I might have to get me a red light to add on to mine. All right, guys. So, thanks for watching. Check you in the next one. Peace.